This front fender has slits for half a thickness, that's why it easily takes the desired shape. Need to glue those elements before painting. This will help to avoid unnecessary movements later. I use a needle to apply superglue, so as not to accidentally overdo it. Almost done. Next I need to glue thruster grills and it will be ready. Let's see the paint room. First I paint the deck house white. I let it dry for 3 hours, then mask it, and will paint the bottom of the ship. I use NC paint, mix it with a thinner in proportion 1:2. The paint gun is Magi. I'm quite satisfied with its capabilities. And so we repeat the procedure, dry, mask and move on to the deck. I apply thin layers of paint so as not to flood the grooves, otherwise I'll have to cut out the stencils for fixing equipment later. Again, dry, mask and final coat at the sides. As soon as it dries, we'll remove the masking tape and look at the result. I love removing masking tape. It's always fun to watch the layout take shape. Here the process goes in the opposite direction. We start from the bottom and move towards the cabin. Masking and unmasking is a long process. Here I have to be very careful not to rip off some tiny details that are glued to masking tape. Here there is no need for comments, everything is visible, so I will let you to watch and enjoy until the end. And when I will complete it, I will begin to fix doors and windows. Almost done. I've prepared the doors and windows in advance, cut it with a laser machine on a black. After fixing windows and doors, I will move to railings. Over. Here we go. I use needle to pick up small portions of super glue, not to overdo it, not to have ugly marks on the paint. So rail by rail, very carefully. I'm almost done. Next I will fix the mast, just glue it on. Again, because I managed to apply too much paint, I had to cut this templates out of paper and use it to find correct position of the windows. Now we'll do a deck that I've made of stickers again. 2 layers, one is silver and one is wooden on top, so it gives that natural look of frames. I also use a silver sticker for exhaust grills. Next, exhaust pipes made of regular wire. There are 2 thickness, 4 of them are 2 millimeters and the small one is 1 millimeter diameter. This is a part of a deck house. I have done it separately, otherwise it would be very hard to glue all these tiny parts on it. So now I will do doors, windows, railings and staircases. When this will be done, I will fix it to the deck house itself. Alright, I'm almost done here. In the next video I'm going to show you how all the rest parts will be glued together on a ship itself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.